Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Uphold to Arculus Wallet. So launch the Arculus Wallet app on your smartphone, log in using your PIN or any other authentication method. On the main screen, select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Tap on Receive to generate wallet address and copy it. Open the Uphold app and log in. On the home page, tap Send to cryptocurrency or utility token. After that, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and enter the amount. Paste the Arculus Wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient's address field. Verify the selected network type matches your Arculus Wallet supported blockchain, and tap Next. Review the transaction details carefully, which is recipient address, amounts, and network fees, and tap on Confirm or Send. After that, verify transaction, return to your Arculus Wallet, check the assets transaction history and confirm that they have been received. And this is basically it, guys. Following these steps carefully will ensure a smooth and secure crypto transfer between Uphold and your Arculus wallets. Thank you for watching. If this helped, press thumbs up on the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.